Everyone.
This morning, the people of Grozny learned once again what Boris Yeltsin means by a bombing halt. Artillery shells instead of aerial bombs rained down on the center of the city. The shells and missiles smashed into apartment blocks, starting fires which the helpless occupants were powerless to put out. Most of the devastation was in residential areas, making a further mockery of the Russian president's claim that he is trying to avoid civilian casualties. 6 people died in one building alone, though today there did appear to be some sort of military objective behind the carnage. Russian shells are coming in from their positions just over there and striking near the main road into the city center, just a few hundred yards behind us. And it seems that the Russian objective is to try and sever that part of the city which contains the presidential palace from the rest of the Chechen forces in the south. Under the shell fire, the Chechen fighters remained astonishingly calm. Even while the bombardment continued, fresh troops arrived in the city center, prepared to face a Russian ground attack if it came. Reserves waiting in a nearby cellar chanted songs as they prepared for action. The Chechen platoons, organized by tribal clan and in only loose contact with headquarters, are nonetheless becoming an impressive fighting force. Today, they once again struck a telling blow against the Russian army. South of Grozny, in broad daylight, they blew up a bridge which Russian armor was trying to cross. The Russian tanks and their crews plunged into the riverbed below. But the truth is that the overwhelming attack which the Russians seem to be preparing will create a bloodbath in Grozny. A human tragedy is in the making here, and the fumbling protests of some Western governments seem powerless to prevent it. Julian Mannion, News at 10, Grozny.